Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RO4873EA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum cleaner is losing suction and emitting a strange smell, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise from clogged filters or a full dust container. If left unattended, it may lead to further damage and reduced performance, which can be quite frustrating. The good news is that with a few simple steps, you can resolve this issue yourself. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement filter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your vacuum cleaner is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Start by locating the screws on the back of the unit. These are usually at the bottom. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove them, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding it in place. Now that you have access to the internals, look for the filter compartment. This is often located near the motor or the dust container. If you find that the filter is dirty or damaged, it's time to replace it. Gently pull the old filter out, taking care to avoid touching the motor or other sensitive components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old filter is removed, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. After the filter is in place, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the surrounding area with your soft cloth. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the back cover and press it into place, ensuring that all clips are secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, plug in your vacuum cleaner and give it a test run. It should now have improved suction and no unpleasant smells. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to check and replace the filters regularly, and ensure the dust container is emptied frequently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.